past continuous tense, what will happen here? Past continuous tense हो, present हो या फिर future हो, if you remember मैंने last class में आप लोगों को एक चीज सिखाई थी कि continuous tense को आप याद कैसे रखोगे. You will remember it about the continuity, and with continuity you will हमेशा think verb की first form and ing जहां जहां आपको continuous देखने के लिए मिलेगा. Now in the present continuous tense we used is mr and verb की first form ing. Today we are covering past continuous tense. तो हम past की helping verbs लगाएंगे. कौन सी होती हैं past की helping verbs? Was, were. So यहाँ पे चलते हैं, पहले देखते हैं कि past continuous tense, why is it used? What are the different rules and syntax that we have with regards to past continuous tense? ठीक है? It is used to describe actions that were ongoing in the past or actions happening simultaneously in the past. It is formed using the past tense of to be and the present participle base form यानी verb की first form plus ing of the verb. ठीक है? तो कोई चीज जो पुराने टाइम पे चल रही थी या फिर simultaneously things in the past are going on, ठीक है, उनके बारे में बात करता है past continuous tense, right? So how are we going to be forming past continuous tense? So herein you have positive, negative and interrogative. Positive में क्या होगा? Subject के साथ was word लग जाएगा, verb की first form ing and object will also be used here. Now one thing which is to be remembered here is that was जो है आपका किसके साथ लगता है? I के साथ and बाकी other singular subjects के साथ में, right? And were is used with you and other plural subjects. ठीक है, they हो गया, we हो गया, उसके साथ were लगता है. She was cooking all morning, so she singular था इसलिए was लग गया. They were cooking all morning. Now negative बनाना है तो was not and were not हो जाएगा, ठीक है. And then again same verb की first form ing and object. Coming to the negative ones के बाद interrogative ones. Interrogative में helping verb बाहर आ जाती है. So यहाँ पे helping verb was were थी, बाहर आ गई. Subject, ठीक है, was were plus यहाँ पे आपका आएगा subject and verb की first form ing. Was she sleeping when he came home? Question mark. Was this action being continued in the past? ठीक है, so note down was were subject verb की first form ing object and क्योंकि ये interrogative है तो आप end में question mark भी लगाओगे. Now take a look at certain other example sentences that I've brought forth. She read a book when the phone rang. No. दो action अगर simultaneously चल रहे हैं, जैसे कि अगर phone जिस time पे phone बजा उस time पे वो पढ़ रही थी. So when this action is continuing, रहना, ठीक है, रही थी, she was reading a book when the phone rang. They play soccer when it started raining. They were playing soccer when it started raining. ठीक है, when it started raining, जब बारिश होना शुरू हो गई तब वो soccer खेल रहे थे. So we are talking about an action that was continuing in the past. ठीक है, he sing a song while he was cooking dinner. He was singing a song while he was cooking dinner. वो खाना बना रहा था और उस टाइम पे वो गाना गा रहा था. ठीक है, so these are certain other example sentences also that I have incorporated in the slides. You can note them down. So you need to make sure कि जब आप कोई भी सेंटेंस बना रहे हो जहाँ पे आप बता रहे हो कि तब ये चीज़ भी हो रही थी जब ये हुआ, so आपको ये चीज़ का ध्यान रखना है that you are talking about and talking using your past continuous tense. You will consciously make this decision and usually आपका continuous tense तभी यूज होता है जब उसके साथ simple past का कोई action लग रहा होता है.
अब एग्जाम की तैयारी को और बेहतर करने के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।